Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful out here. All the wildflowers and just being able to just hang out and yeah, this is where it's at. Hey fam, good morning, good morning. I am out here at Red Mountain, BLM land. That's the Red Mountain behind me. I am just hanging out, listening to some jazz and just taking in the sun and the views and just, you know, this is really nice. So yeah, I need to probably head out soon, but I haven't seen anybody. There's been just, I don't know, it's been really nice out here, kind of windy, but I highly recommend Red Mountain. Alright, and this is where I ended up staying at. Super beautiful, heading out now. As you can see, it's just some light off-roading. I mean, this is just normal BLM land. You can't really expect it to be maintained, and I think like the people that come out here, like they kind of do this on purpose. Okay, so, oh boy. All right, smooth sailing now. I don't know why that spot was so bad. I always check like the indicator lights. Let's see. But as you can tell, you know, I got like all that stuff going on. Alright, so I like to pretend that I'm like a little rally car, and that's just, this is normal, the normal way you drive a little rally car. So if anybody knows how to reinforce the bottom of a Toyota Yaris, it'd be so greatly appreciated so I can do like real off-roading like that. And like, yeah, I'm down to turn the whole car into an Overlander and like put like mud snow tires on it and like figure out like a way to get like some rear wheel propulsion, like whether that be like, I don't know, some Toyota Highlander, like the electric vehicle ones. I don't know. I'm just rambling. Alright, talk to you guys later. So my windows are all sorts of dirty. So this doesn't do justice, but oh my gosh, this is what I like about driving on 395. This is big skies, these wide open spaces. Alright, here I am going up 395. Just stopped at the rest area and it is nice. It's gotten way colder as I get into the further northern desert. So yeah, I think that if it was more summer, it would be more hospitable. But since it's April, it is freaking cold out here. So yeah, I am gonna figure out where I'm gonna sleep tonight. A lot of the campgrounds that are on free camping are saying that they're only open during the summer and the fall. So that might be a challenge. Worst case, get a motel room. I've got like a free room on hotels.com. So yeah, I've got that option, but I'm gonna rough it out, you know? Like, I wanna sleep with the freaking snow mountains in the background. That's awesome. I don't know how I'm gonna stay warm in here. Just need some tea candles and a clay pot. Alright, so I just looked up directions to Yosemite and it's like 6 hours. I'm like, that's not right. Apparently 120 is closed right now because of the storm, so I can't even get through the way that I wanted to across the valley. So I'm gonna have to go to South Lake Tahoe. and then come down on like whatever that road is. I don't even know, but another reason why I hate Yosemite, alright? It's all good, but I am like 5 hours from home, so I'm kind of just contemplating pushing through. There's like supposed to be some nice campsites about 30 minutes down the road, so I'm gonna go check those out, see how good they are, probably stay there for the night, or at least take a nap and then push on. I don't know, probably just stay there for the night. But man, stupid weather. Hey fam, okay, this is pretty much turning into a winter wonderland like way too quick. I'm feeling like such an idiot. Like, I don't know why I didn't expect like snow right now. Like, it's April, it shouldn't be like this. So yeah, hopefully, I don't know. I saw a sign that says, be prepared, carry chains on 395, and I'm like, dude, I don't have chains. I don't even know where to get chains. Do people sell chains around here? So yeah, I'm gonna see what's up with this camp spot here, because I like to follow through with things, and then call it from there. But this is seriously winter wonderland everywhere I look. I mean, that's just like a solid mountain of snow. Woo! Okay, so it is now snowing. I don't know what to do. I gotta call my dad. He's the only one that's gonna be able to know what to do. Okay, so my dad's a truck driver. He's been doing it for like 40 years, so I trust his opinion. He said, just keep pushing on, alright? Like, as long as it doesn't say chains required, you're okay. If it says to carry chains, that's just some good advice, you know? Like, don't talk to strangers. So, yeah, it looks like it's starting to break, because north of Mammoth Lakes, that's where it looks like there's not any snow anymore. So I'm hoping I can just push right over this and it'll be no problem. Alright fam, we are in full-on snow mode. This is where Free Campsites is telling me to go. It's like, hey, just go right down here. It's no big deal. You just go down here. You can see, everybody can see, there's the marker right there for the road that you can drive down and go live down for the night down there. All right, so there's a lot of snow on the ground, and normally, dude, like, I would have no problem sleeping here, but the only spot that I can park at is right over there, which is like not stealth at all. People will be calling, saying, hey, there's somebody, I think their car is stuck right there. Oh my god, my feet are freezing cold, snow's in my shoes. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep pushing on. It's cold, I don't like snow. Alright, it is absolutely gorgeous out here, the sun and the snow. So it's absolutely stunning out here with the big blue skies and the snow flakes just falling. Because over here, it's like angry snowstorm, which we just got out of. Over here, happy little snowflakes falling down from heaven. Got some mom. Like mom. Wow. Absolutely breathtaking, man. Hey fam, alright, I got my car positioned out here, super stealth. You can kind of hear the cars, but like the roar of the river right here is so loud. And as long as like a flash flood doesn't come, I think I'll be okay. Yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna chill out another night without internet because I'm just hearing about it. So I'm just gonna catch up on my sleep and plan for what I'm gonna do whenever I get back.